think
boys
it's good.
camping number 2. Hey, boys, what you eating?
Snake.
Snake.
Where'd you get the snake, Tristan?
I killed it
How'd you kill it, Tristan?
with a rock.
Like David in Goliath?
Yes.
Gross.
Like Bear
You
Grill?
think it's bad?
It's really bad.
It's super bony.
It is. I can't even get
Super
meat.
bony.
So many bones.
There's so
They're
many
tiny bones that you'll swallow them.
I'm just gonna swallow this.
Those bones will go right through you.
Did you have some, Mason?
The taste isn't. The taste
These are
isn't
real
bad
big
though.
bones.
Mason.
I don't think the taste is bad.
Do you
No,
want
it's
us to go
the
get you a
bones.
gardener
Yeah.
slug or something like
Like
that?
if it was a bigger snake,
garden
it'd be
slug?
good.
Just drove to the top of Timberwolf Mountain up here, and my goodness gracious,
My gosh,
what a beautiful view. Looking down to the valley there. Just fantastic up here. We've got Mount Rainier, and then back over this way we had Mount Adams. So we're at 6,400 feet in elevation. What do you think, Seth?
It's good.
What a view, huh?
Yeah.
I'm looking into eastern Washington. So, great view from up here. There's a few bugs though. How many bugs are up here, Seth? Thousands?
There were thousands.
These are not mosquitoes, huh? We're camped down there, I think, someplace. So, all right.